Welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to update the mate receipt number and mate receipt date under shipment or job in Fresa application. Initially, we have to log into Fresa application. After your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Here, we have to select the required shipment or job. After clicking that, now the job page will be displayed on the screen. On this page, we have to click on the shipment bill number or bill of entry tab. Then we have to click the add button. On the shipment bill or bill of entry page, we have to enter the mate receipt number in the mate receipt column. And we have to select the mate receipt date. And also we have to enter the required details. Then we have to click the save button. Now the mate receipt number and mate receipt date will be added. This is how to update the mate receipt number and mate receipt date under shipment or job in Fresa application. Thanks for watching.